Today's devotion is titled Small Things. In John chapter 6, verse 9, it says, "There is a lad here which has 5 barley loaves and 2 small fishes. But what is that among so many?" When Jesus asked Philip where they could buy bread to feed the crowd that was approaching them, he was testing their faith. He wanted to see if they were learning anything from the lessons he had been teaching them in the mountains. It seems Andrew had a little spark of faith in the first part of verse 9, but then it seems his faith wavered because he said, "What is that among so many?" Isn't that what happens with us so many times? Our faith kind of leaps out with a spark or ray of hope, and then we immediately ask a question. The obvious one, of course, the one that applies to our situation. What a seemingly small, insignificant solution to an overwhelming need. It didn't make sense at all. But that is the thing, the small and insignificant little boy's lunch that God wanted to use to solve the problem in this particular case. How easily it could have been overlooked. It would have been much easier to dwell on the fact that they didn't have enough food to feed so many people. But Jesus had been giving them lessons about faith and healing. And Andrew, although his faith was weak and unsure, was starting to grasp the lessons he had been taught. Don't we get the same opportunity to use our faith? We have situations that are overwhelming to us at times, and we can dwell on the problem, or we can take our small, insignificant lunch, so to speak, to Jesus and let him multiply it. He will take the question out of the solution to our problem, just like he did in verse 9. If you give your problem to God, he will make all the difference in the world, because he uses small things to accomplish his plan. Be blessed and have a wonderful day.